Hi, this is Chris of Creations by Chris, and this is an alteration rescue, and I'll show you why I call it that. I had a client and she said that she was ashamed, but she had a garment she wanted to show me. Was there anything I could do? And this is the garment. Okay, so when she showed it to me, I thought before, I said, this doesn't look too bad. And then I really looked closely at some of the problems with this garment. Okay, notice the sleeves. And this is the other sleeve. Then I turned it over. So, and this is the back of the sleeve. She asked me what she should do with it. Well, originally I said you should throw it away, but then she told me the story behind the garment. This is her AKA sorority blouse. So then I understood why she wanted to have it rescued. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see what exactly I can do to rescue this garment. And then once it's done, I'll definitely come back and show you exactly what the results are. So what I'm thinking about is, as far as the elbow is concerned, to use elbow patches. I want to find some suede or micro suede pink fabric, the same color as the sorority letters. And then on the edges of the cuff, I'm going to do a pink piping also. And then of course under the arms and so forth. Some of that is going to be happy hands, some